Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep track of your earphone volumes on a Android device. So for this video I'm using my Huawei Nova 7i, but if you guys are using any other Android or Huawei devices, you guys should be able to try this out on your device. The settings may be slightly different, but they will be somewhat similar. So guys, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down until you guys go to all the way to digital balance, which is right below location. Right there, click that, click hearing protection, and as you guys can see right here, this is your, so whenever you actually connect to a earphone or a bluetooth earphone, same thing if you guys use the jack or if you guys even use the earphone itself, you guys should be able, this tracking will actually help you track how high you're actually using. So as you guys can see, all the information you guys need is here. As you guys can see, the maximum was about 70, so 62 to 101 decibels, which is for about 41 minutes. As you guys can see, it's just like this. So this is if you click the eyes, this is your limit for what you should be at. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope if you guys have any other tutorials you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. Peace.